Welcome to the AI Toolkit Online. Now, in this training session, we'll walk you through the AI Vision feature. Now, it's an advanced tool for analyzing and interpreting images effortlessly. Now, to get started, log into your dashboard and select the AI Vision tool. Now, this feature allows you to upload images and receive detailed insights within seconds. So, begin by uploading an image. Now, for our example, I'm going to upload an image from an upcoming book called Articus. And as you can see, the drag and drop work just fine. It does support various file formats, making it easy to analyze. Now, once uploaded, the AI analyzes the image to provide key information, depending on what you ask it to do. You can have it translate a book, summarize a book for research, explain an image. You can have it pull out colors, embedded text, and so on. For the sake of our tutorial, I'll have it explain the image. Now, export the results for further use once it's finished, or you can integrate them with other AI tools in your dashboard for enhanced workflows. As you can see, the description is the image depicts a scene of a young boy standing in front of a large extraterrestrial figure. Very, very accurate. So with AI vision, interpreting and analyzing images is fast, accurate, and intuitive. So log in today and see how AI Toolkit Online can transform your image analysis workflows.